Hi, I'm just going to show you how to set up the custom map field and to add it into the form so that you save more time. So if you don't know how to create a custom map field, you would go to settings, then you would go down to custom map fields. For this tip, you would be using the project custom map fields. So you would click on the project tab and then you would just click on create. You'd write the title in here. So if you wanted a shared drive, for example, you'd write shared drive or whatever you want to call them. I've got a few in here at the moment. So I won't be creating one because I've already got them, but how you would do is just write in the title, then you would select short answer, and then you would click on save. So that is how simple it is to create that. So once you have done that, the next thing you would do is go to the form where you would like this button to be. So you would go to your templates, go to forms. I have it on my welcome pack, so you'd click on your welcome pack. And you'd go down to where you would like the button to be. I've put mine at the bottom. See, mine's already in place, so I will show you how to add one. So the way you would do it is to add a text box. So we would get rid of these, all the writing in the text box. And then you would click on Smart Field, Project. And then as you can see, the custom map fields that you created in the last step will be showing here. So you will choose the one that you would like, and then it will come up with a URL. Now, if you were doing a few of these, it's a good idea to create all the URLs and pop them into a Google Doc so that you can have them all available for you. It's a good idea to have them saved there, and then you can just pop them into the buttons. But I'm just going to show you how to do one. So I will highlight the URL, and then you would go to the formatting button. And then you would click on button. So do that again, it's come on highlighted. So we'll highlight the URL, then you would click button. And then as you can see, it's in the wrong place. So you would highlight, press Control X, Control V, and put the URL in the URL section. And then you would write what you would like to call it. So this one is shared drive folder. And then you would click on open tab. I always like to click on the open new tab so they go to a different tab instead of taking them away from the form. So then you would press insert, and as you can see, the button is already here. It's just been created. So if you want to highlight it, and then you will center it, and there we go. And that is how simple it is. So if you want to get the other ones, so if say for example you did a client one, you would go down to here and look, as you can see, this is where the client ones are, because I've got quite a few in the client one as well, and they are exactly the same. You will get a URL for it. You pop that into your Google Drive, and then you can just create a button for that. So once you've created your button, I'm just going to get rid of these because I don't want this on my form. So once you've created the button in the template, I'll show you how to add them simply from the client project. So I will go to my test project. and you would need to add your form. So your form would be added, whether that would be via a workflow or however you add your form. And then you would go to your custom map field section here, and you would click on, and then all the ones that you have created, all the mapped fields you created in the settings at the first step will be listed here. And then you would just simply go and get your URL, and you will add it into here. So if I get rid of this one, and then I'll go and get it for you. So you would go over to your G Drive if you're doing a G Drive shared folder link. Just wait for this to open. So say this is your folder that you would like. So you would go to share to create that link. You would make sure that you change that to anywhere link, or they will have to request access for you. Because it's a shared folder, you want your clients to put stuff in, you'd go to editor, and then you would just press copy link, and then you will put back over to Dubsado. You go to the shared place and you press Control V, and that is your link there. So, and if you're doing a Loom link, for example, for a video, you would pop that there, and so on and so on. So you press save, and then as you see, it shows up here. So I'll just show you how that it works. So we will go to view the welcome pack, the form that the button's going to be created in. So say I open this form, and we will go down to where the button is, and it's this one here that I added the link to. So you would click on this button, and it should open the test folder, and voila, there we go. And that is how simple it is. So all now, when you're doing it, you save so much time because you don't have to go in and edit the template all the time. All you would have to do in Dubsado is go into the project and then just add your links here, because the buttons are already on the template. I hope that helps you, and I hope it saves you loads of time. Cheers, bye.